What is up guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can find wallet address on Coinbase app. Process for that is pretty simple. In order to do that, as you guys can see, I'm on my desktop. The process is pretty simple. You just have to open up your Coinbase wallet app. Now in the wallet, this is how you will see even in the app and even all the in the desktop as well. Now here you just have to click on this buy section. After clicking on this buy section, you will see these two options. You just have to click on the second option, which should be transfer from another wallet. Now, after clicking on that, you just have to get the address for what wallet you want. Suppose you want to get the Bitcoin, you want to get the wallet address for the Bitcoins, you simply have to search for Bitcoin right here. So I'm just going to search for Bitcoin and you'll be able to see Bitcoin just popped up. You can click on that and there you go. This is your wallet address. You can use this QR code as well, or you can copy this address. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to get your wallet address on your Coinbase wallet. Hope you guys find this video helpful.